Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have come up with one of the most trending one, iPhone Pocket, or you can use it for any of the phones. It's just a bag which can keep any kind of mobile. Personally, I really like the handling of this. It's really cute and it's really sleek. I loved it. I can put it on my bag too, and it looks so elegant. So let's start. So today I am using here a Lion brand organic 100% cotton yarn, and the way of this is 2, and here we are going to use, it's mentioned over here is 3 mm hook, but I'm going to use 4 mm hook because I'm going to combine 2 yarns together, and so it will be quicker and look beautiful too. So let's make a knot like this, and then we'll start with the foundation chain. So here I'm going to make 70 chain, which is as per 40 centimeter length. So you can go ahead and make as per your size you want. You can make chain little loose, or do one thing, you can make extra long chain, extra number of chains, so it will be easy for you to come up under 40 centimeter. So here I did for 43 centimeter because I'm going to work on the back bumps. So once you start working on these back bumps, it will get shorter. So we'll skip the first one and go inside the second one, and first we are going to do 8 slip stitches. So this will be the narrower part of the back. So like this, go inside, grab the yarn and go underneath the loop. We are going to do this 8 times, and then we'll do the single crochet. So let's do like this, and better to put the stitch marker so it will be easy to grab the first one. So this one is the last slip stitch. Now we'll start with the single crochet. Go inside the back bump, grab the yarn, come back, you have 2 loops, yarn over, come out of 2 of them like this, go inside, grab the yarn, yarn over and come inside both the loops. So we'll follow this single crochet till the end of this row, row 1, and we'll come back with row 2. So the last one, need to make 1 chain and turn. So once you make chain, go inside the back loops. So these are the back loops which is away from you, so I need to go inside the back loops only. So do the single crochet same way in the back loops only till the end. It's simple, very easy, and you can create this beautiful one in a day. So we need to do 62 single crochet in each row and 8 slip stitches at the end. So like this we are going to complete this row 2, and at the end we have 8 slip stitches. We are going to do that slip stitch again in the back loops only. Now we need to follow the back loops slip stitches. So it is a little hard to go inside the back loops because it's quite inside, so you will get it. So go till the end and come back. This is the last slip stitch I'm doing. Better to put the stitch marker on, don't forget. And then we'll start with the same process of repeating these rows in back loops only till the width of your phone. So my phone is around 4.5 centimeter, so I am going to do till that time. So better to do till 4 or 5 centimeter. The width is like I'm telling you here is the half width. So half width we will do right now, and then we'll create a gap in between, and then again we will do half of the width. So total it will be like 10 centimeter, 8 or 10 centimeter. So after completing half of the width, so it's around 8 rows total completed, and it's 4 centimeter for me, and the length is 40 centimeter. So now this is the dividing part. So here I'm gonna divide it and make the center point. So again we are doing the last 8 slip stitches and single crochet. So I did around 27 single crochet and it comes around 15 centimeter. I'm not calculating the bottom part, that is the slip stitches, that will not comes under 15 centimeter because that part is not used. The phone will not go in that part, so I'm gonna using only that 15 centimeter which is above that slip stitch. So the last one I'm doing here is 1 slip stitch and then I'm gonna make 28 chain. Why I did the slip stitch in the end? Because to combine both the ends together. So after doing 28 chain, I'm going and doing the first single crochet in the back loops and attach the chain to the upper 6 part. So we'll do 6 single crochet in the top part and then chain 1 and turn. This is the 9th row we did, so we are not going to count this, and again we will repeat 8 more rows after this. So once you come back, you need to do the single crochet in the back loops of these chain. This will give the fine edge to the center of back, so better to do in the back bumps only. So we'll see you after completing 8 more rows of single crochets. So total it will become 17 rows, 8 here, 8 one side and 1 in the center. So the width of my panel is 7.5 centimeter and it's stretchable too. Now the next row we are gonna do here is the slip stitch row. Go inside both the loops of chain and grab the yarn, do the slip stitch. So we need to do this slip stitch under both the loops till the end, even in the slip stitches also. Down we did 8 slip stitch, there also we need to go inside both the loops and do the slip stitch. And this is the turning row. This row we will not count as a row in our panel. So now I'm going to start with the row 1 of the back panel. So this back panel will also include the 17 rows in the back loops only. So I'll show you. Once I did this first row, it starts showing the turning edge. So you can see the turning edges look so fine. So we need to go ahead and complete 8 rows here, 1 in the center and 8 more, and then we will combine the edge. Now my both the panels has completed. Have a look. This is the back side and this one is the front side. You can see the turning slip stitch row. It looks so fine. After completing this, we'll just cut the thread and secure the knot. And now we'll seal all the edges together. So we'll have one long thread. Now this time I'm using the single thread to join the edge. So we'll start from the back side of the bottom. So we are joining from the wrong side now. We'll secure the end and we'll start joining. So join both the panels together till the end. And now we'll flip to the right side. So you can have a look. Now we are going to join it from the right side. Go ahead under both the side of the chain like this and join last 8 slip stitches. So once you join the last 8 slip stitches, then we'll start with a single crochet. One side will go inside the single crochet and other side will go on the front loop, the outer loop, the loop which is towards you. So go inside the single crochet, down part, and then in the front loop, the loop which is towards you, go inside that loop. So this will join your edge so finely that you will not able to say where is the joining part. So now at the end of doing this, you just pull the thread and it will combine so quickly and in a chain. Have a look. Now we'll join the top part. We are joining this from the wrong side. So I'm just getting the center point, the center 9th row from both the side, I just mark the center point so I will not displace it, and then start joining. Ta-da! Now it's ready. Now at the end we just need to secure all the tails inside and cut the thread. So you can have a look. It's so beautiful. If you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, just comment me on the comment section, and I'm gonna come up with 2 more styles. Stay tuned for 2 more pockets.